In the remaining lessons in Unit 3, you're going to be learning how to write equations based on different givens. For example, when I'm given either the slope, a graph, a word problem, a couple of points, a parallel line, or a perpendicular line, I can calculate the slope. You've already learned how to calculate slope before. And with one other point on the line, you can eventually then write an equation of a line in any of the three forms: slope-intercept form, point-slope form, or standard form. Now we are going to concentrate all of our efforts though on the slope-intercept form. That's what they'll expect you to do on the ECA. So in our first lesson, you're going to be learning how to write an equation given the slope and the y-intercept. So let's review our vocabulary. The y-intercept is the point where a line touches the y-axis. You need to be able to memorize these definitions. On your test, you will have one page of definitions, usually 10. These are the easiest points you can get on your test. The slope is a measure of the steepness of a line. It describes the rate of change. Go ahead and push pause and finish writing these definitions out. The slope-intercept form is the form of the line y equals mx plus b with the slope m and the y-intercept b. You're going to want to refer to this chart quite often. So in this case, we are given the slope. So therefore, to calculate the slope, there's no calculation involved. So that's what the slope is. And with one other point on the line, well, we know when we're given the y-intercept that that's at the point 0, -4. So using that information, we can write the slope-intercept form of the equation. Let's take a look at some. I strongly advise you when you're writing equations that you write that formula y equals mx plus b every time. Y equals mx plus b. So we need to first find our slope and fill it in. Remember, your slope is always the number or the fraction that's in front of your x. So we'll write 4/5 in front of our x. 4/5. And your y-intercept, or if they give you the point, they should have given you the point 0, -1 is your y-intercept. That's the number that goes on the end. Now, y equals mx plus b. This could be a minus b if you have a negative number. In this case, we do. So we have a -1. So to write the equation, you would write y is equal to 4/5 x minus 1. You can always write an equation of a line as long as you know those two values, your m value and your b value. These are fairly easy to do, so go ahead and go to your guided practice and check your answers when you're done. Good luck.